Hey guys, so what we're going to do installing today is the Richochet off-road armor skid plate on the KLX300R. Went with this brand because it's super solid metal. There's plastic ones out there, there's nylon ones out there, and all sorts of crazy stuff. If you buy a Chinese crappy one that costs you a lot less money, you're probably gonna have to take it off every time you try to drain the oil or something, because they're not thinking about those things. But this comes with an access port for draining the oil, and super high quality. You can see the welds, you know, and it wraps up around the case a little bit so to protect these vital areas. So I think it's going to be a really awesome product. I have it on my bike, so for Gina's it should really add a lot of level of protection as well. So we're going to get right after it, guys. It should be quick and easy, down and dirty. Okay, so we're all ready to get started. So the first thing we're going to do is remove our factory skid plate. These are just 8mm, and pop them right off. I always keep everything. Whenever I'm taking stuff off a bike, I just keep it. So just throw this and the bolts in a Ziploc bag. And I usually just label it in case you end up with a bunch of different bikes or something. You know what you got laying around. But this should go pretty quick, really. Add a super level of protection to the bike. Tomorrow's Mother's Day and I gotta get her out riding or I'll get clobbered. Okay, as you can see, this is your little tiny crappy factory one. That's off. This is the bad boy we're putting on there. So we want you to start right here in the center with the two longer bolts that are in the package with a washer on them. The short ones here are going to go in the back. Okay, so we'll start with these and just leave them loose, because you're going to need to slide them around for a little bit of adjustment, most likely later. Okay, so we got our center ones just started. Pretty loose still, so we can move things around. Okay, then these clamps go around the frame, and then you're going to line this hole up with the hole through your aluminum pan. So it's a little bit of a dexterity test, but I think you guys can handle it. You can see through the bottom here to get it pretty close. Again, you just want to get it enough to get it started, okay? So it really wasn't as bad as I thought it would be when I looked at it. So that's all started. I'm going to get those a little bit extra low so they don't come off, because that could be a time sucker. All right, there we go. Now we just got these back ones. Okay, and so these are still the back ones. They're all Torx bits. Now the page says that they could come as not Torx bits because of supply chain issues, but all mine were, so we're pretty good there. Getting this one lined up is a little tricky. Pushing and pulling and trying to get it started without cross-threading it. Okay guys, so all the screws are in. It went pretty quick, really. Just checking alignment issues. Make sure nothing weird is rubbing. Now, some of these come with like a felt liner or something, and some come with plastic and other nylons. So that would help with vibration noise, but I don't think we're gonna have that really as an issue. Yeah, so remember to put your blue Loctite on these and snug them up a little bit from the rear to the front. And again, if you need to position it a little bit, check your cases up top, make sure there's nothing actually pressing right on them. But it should be pretty good to take it from there. So snug it up and we'll see how it comes up. We got the rock guard all on there. You can see it gives you some really nice protection to the cases on the side, and way more protection than the factory one underneath. I think one hell of an upgrade. So anyway, we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching today, and you guys take care.